and we're ready to go. Drivers behind. We have a ladder down. Thank you, Ed Jordan. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 18 starting off, and already 115. Swing it and a missa on getting that gear. But 971 is able to put a couple balls up at top. Let's see if they can salvage something out of this autonomous mode. Not bad, not bad. We got a score of 83 to 75 coming out into the tele-operated period. And already the robots are bumping and grinding, rumbling and grumbling their way down the field. It looks like 971 is picking up a bunch of balls. They're going to try to go after that 40 KPA ranking point in this match. We'll see if they can get it done with only 8 on the board so far. Meanwhile, their partners, 115 flying across the field with a gear. Can they get it up? They can get it up. Blue side have a little trouble moving around. Looks like they're getting stuck on some balls. We'll see if they can make it through. Team 1868, the Space Cookies, trying to score a gear on that low peg. Let's see if they can do it. Looks like they're having a little trouble lining up. But they connect and it falls. With a minute left in this match, we don't have too much going on other than robots driving back and forth, trying to gather up balls and gears. It looks like 971 has a hopper full of balls. Let's see if they can score those in the high goal. .30 seconds left in the match, and it's a razor-thin margin between red and blue. It's all going to come down to how many hanging points these teams can get. Right now, it seems that our head referee has indicated a foul. We'll have to check on that. Space Cookies are up. 58-29 up. One red team is up, 58-18. Can we get one or two more? 115 having trouble. We've got 3 blue robots to only 1 red robot up. That's probably going to be all she wrote, but we'll be right back with that final score. All right, there was 1 foul in that match on team 115 for contacting an opponent's rope. That will add some points to the Blue Alliance. So as a final score coming up, we've got a score of 310 to 213. Blue Alliance coming out with the big old W.
Tough match for 115 and 971 there. 971 seemed to be having some technical difficulties running into the wall, but it just happens.
Yeah, you know, that's a big part of the game sometimes is that you go into a match, you know what your alliance is going to be, you're going to get together with those different drive teams and you're going to talk it out and try to create what plan you want whenever you're on the field. But then you get out there and something unusual happens, and it's how do you respond to that? And that's what the really successful teams do is they have these issues pop up and then they still are able to generate points and generate a win for them. Not only was 971 having trouble moving around, Audibots are still continuing. They're the team that came up from Texas, still continuing to have troubles on the field, but this time they were able to get their hang in, which was a part of the key to the Blues' victory.
Yeah, agreed. When you have those issues on the field there, time management becomes even more critical. And in a game like the 2017 Steamworks game, where you don't get points based off of the number of gears you deliver, you get points based off of the number of rotors you get spinning. 115 unfortunately spent time to deliver a gear that was worth 0 points, and as a result missed their climb there. the time management is going to get more and more important as this day goes on.
Absolutely. That's a huge part of this game is you don't want to waste any effort, and you definitely want to get that hang. That's 50 points to get there. A hang's actually more valuable than a rotor. Extra rotor is only 40 points in this game. The hang is worth 50 points. So you should definitely value that hang over it. I guess there are RPs involved that could help throw that over it whenever you're trying to weight that decision, but a win is worth 2 RPs versus a 4 rotor versus only 1 RP.
Right. Let's take a look at the next match coming up here. All right, got 7